Chinese supermarket operator beaten with hammer in Christiana. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A manhunt has been launched for a man said to be of unsound mind after he allegedly used a hammer to physically assault a Chinese business operator in Christiana, Manchester on Wednesday. Police said that at around 10 a.m., the man got into an altercation with a Chinese businessman after he was accused of shoplifting. 3 men could be seen in a tussle subsequently. A man believed to be the Chinese businessman managed to pin down the man who is said to be of unsound mind before letting him go. Hours later, at around 1:16 p.m., the man said to be of unsound mind reportedly returned to the scene and attacked the Chinese businessman with a hammer, delivering several blows to his neck before escaping. The Chinese businessman has since been admitted to hospital. The police said that they have identified the suspect and all efforts are underway to locate him. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.